There's no way this just happened. I found the very last of these. The last ball I pulled out. It's a ham that's not shaking. Guess what? It's a Wonka ball. For some more context, when you find the Miniverse Easter capsules and it's in a ham one and you shake it and you can't hear the cherries shaking inside, that was my UV lamp. It's most likely a Wonka capsule, which means like it's not one of these 3 recipes. It's the special rare Wonka bar. So here it is. It's in the gold capsule and it's really pretty. You can already see the Wonka, so let's open it up. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So here's the recipe book. Now these are the standard recipes that you'll find. The Wonka is always in the ham capsule. There are 2 in the large displays and there's going to be 1 in the small box display. And I found it. I cannot believe it. Somehow there was literally 2 Easter eggs and then I found a ham above one of the Easter eggs and I'm like, no, there's no way this could possibly be it. But I shook it and yeah, no, I cannot believe it. So anyways, let's look at the details. This is going to be a longer video because I want to look at the details of this and try not to ruin the bags. Packaging stuff. Oh my god, this is just too cute. I can't. And look at the chocolate details. This is going to be golden. And it's got the Easter topper too, so that makes sense. And then this is the resin. Dude, you get 2 things of resin. Oh my god, fizzy lifting drink. This is so cool. You get 2 bottles of resin. That's awesome. Okay, I see you. Dang, Miniverse. And then this. Oh, look at the packaging again. So beautiful. I need to not ruin it. Oh, I just ripped it. My bad. This is to make a Wonka box. No way. So you can put together a box and you get the little wrappers and you can make a golden ticket one for yourself. I wonder if the golden ticket's in here. Let's see. How awesome. And this is perfect because that new Willy Wonka came out. Yep. Look at this. We have the golden ticket. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny and perfect. Okay, ready guys? Let's zoom in. We got the golden ticket. Woo! How amazing is this? And here's the last bag. This is the one you kind of see when you're finding the capsule. And we get a little silicone resin mold to make tons of chocolate bars. And it's got the little Wonka details on it. Check it out. How freaking cool. This is the coolest thing ever. Like, oh, so excited to make these. Y'all, so when you find the ham capsule, if it doesn't make the cherry shaking sound, then you know that you have the Wonka capsule. And yeah, so good luck, guys.